Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to install Google Chrome now. Make sure your PC meets the basics: stable internet and enough disk space. Open your current browser, type the download keyword, and locate the installer for Windows or Mac OS. Once you click the download button, follow on-screen prompts, choose Run or Save, then open the file. This step gets Chrome onto your system, which gives you native access to Google services and full browser features immediately. Once the installer finishes, run Chrome and accept required permissions. It may update automatically in the background. You should sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks, passwords, and history across devices. This saves time later. Then open Settings, set Google as your default search engine and homepage. Make sure to customize startup behavior so Chrome opens to Google.com. These steps make Google the primary experience and let you retrieve your data from other devices seamlessly. Finish by pinning Chrome to the taskbar or creating a desktop shortcut so you open Google with one click. Double-check sync is active and adjust privacy and search settings to your comfort. Enabling two-step verification improves account security. If something goes wrong, clear temporary files and retry. If the download fails, disable firewall temporarily or switch networks and consider the offline installer. These quick fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.